We are currently, myself and a business partner, sitting on 150 products to put onto Amazon Oz, and we can't list them on Amazon Oz yet because Amazon hasn't opened Amazon Fresh, and these products are really better suited to Amazon Fresh than anywhere else. So we're sitting on 150 different products that we're waiting to get live whilst we wait for them to launch Fresh, however long that may be. But right now, depending on the product, it's a shit fight on Amazon as far as categories go. And let me show you what I mean. So let's search for dog bowl, for instance. So you will notice that right now, departments, well, there is no dog or pet category open, okay? Books, music, home improvement, health and beauty, toys, clothes, kids, sports, shoes, all right? So there's no pets at all. So the pet category does not exist. Let's go search for dog bowls. Oh, look, I can buy a doggy bowl, which is clearly should be in the pet category. I can buy a doggy bowl on Amazon. And where have they put it, I wonder? Well, let's look at the top result. Where have they put it? Well, it's in kitchen and dining in tableware. All right, so that's what I mean when I say it is a shit fight. So you can definitely get your products in categories that are not yet open on Amazon onto Amazon. All right, so don't let that phase you. Heaps of people are doing it. I'm doing it. And it definitely works. So don't worry too much about that. We can't do it with the other 150 products that we're wanting to list because they're fresh products, they're consumables, and they've got a sell-by date and things like that. It just wouldn't work. We'd get into trouble. But for most things, you can get your things onto there, no dramas at all, Paul. So I wouldn't worry too much about that, mate. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.